If you can start a profitable business in the next few weeks without spending any money, how different would your life be? Would you be able to quit a 9-to-5 job? Would you be able to pay off your debts? Would you have more free time with your family? That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. It's a new way that you can launch a brand new business that has almost no competition and a ton of demand. And this is something that I've now shown to thousands of students who are taking action and seeing results in as little as just a few weeks. Let's get into it. All right, so this is the simple 3-step process for a business that you can get started today. Now, the cool thing is I'm going to show you how this works in just 3 steps. And if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to a free course that's going to show you how to implement all the little things that we're going to talk about in this video. But essentially what we're going to do is we're going to be contacting these local businesses. Think your plumbers or your chiropractors or your dentists, right? So businesses like that locally, okay? Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna help them use AI. We're gonna help them use a special software to create a website or to bring in lead generation or to create some sort of automation, right? And believe it or not, a lot of these local businesses actually don't have a lot of these things in place. And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna charge them to essentially manage their business, and you could charge anywhere between $400, $500, even $1,000 per month for every client. All right, so now I'm going to show you how you can actually find these local businesses, and you're going to be surprised how many of them don't even have a website. But let's just go to Google and type in something similar, such as plumbers or chiropractors, one of those local type businesses, and then a city. Okay, I'm just gonna put a random one, Oklahoma City, and we're gonna go and see which businesses don't have any websites. Okay, so I wanna go over here and I wanna see if I go to more businesses. I'm gonna start looking through here. And as you can see right away, Whole Plumbing right here, they have a phone number, but they don't have a website, okay? So I could go and reach out to them, right? And then over here, let's see, that one has a website. Let's take a look. Right here, Jake's Plumbing. So you can see right here, no website, but they do have a phone number, okay? So, there's another one we can contact, and you'll be surprised as you look through here, there are hundreds and hundreds of these local businesses that don't have a place where people can go and find them, right? So here's another one, Don's Plumbing, right? And again, you can go on and on. Like, there's so much demand for this. It's just insane, okay? That's basically it. But essentially, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna contact these local businesses and just let them know, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and create a free website for you. I'm gonna go ahead and put the logo on. I'm gonna go ahead and, put in all your information, and I'm gonna automate the entire thing. And you're gonna do that for free for them. And of course, they're gonna be so impressed that they're gonna want you to run their marketing. Because the thing you have to understand with these local type businesses is they're busy doing the actual work. They don't want to do the marketing. They don't want to go and create a website. So if you can go in here, provide value for them and just say, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and create something very simple for you. And that way customers can come in and they can, book a call, or they can call you guys to, do plumbing work or whatever it is. They're gonna be super grateful, and they're gonna be more than happy to pay you a monthly retainer. All right, so now that you know how to find these local businesses, let me show you a really cool trick on how you can go and build a website literally within minutes. Now, we're going to be using this software called funnelfreedom.io, which I'll leave a link down in the description. But the cool thing about this is you can go to Funnel Freedom and go and create these pre-done templates for these local businesses. Okay, so let me show you a few things here. So if I go to where it says websites, I can go and start to create a new website. So if I go to new website, I could go to where it says from templates, and there's actually thousands of templates in here that you can use. Okay, so I can go inside of here, and obviously we were talking about plumber, so I can go and type in plumber. There we go. Okay, you got plumber X or city plumber. I can go ahead and click on this, and I can go and literally just slap the logo on from the company that you found, right? Maybe Jake's Plumbing or whatever it was that you found. For example, I can go and start creating this. It's gonna go ahead and add this template to the software, and then all you have to do is just fill in the blanks, fill in the information, right? So if we go back again, if we're doing, Don's Plumbing, you're gonna wanna get Don's Plumbing logo, use Don's Plumbing phone number, his name, and all the things that people are gonna wanna see when they go to the website, okay? As you can see, it takes a few seconds here, and then once that's done, boom, it's done. Now it's gonna go to the template where you can go and edit it, okay? Now, I haven't even paused the video, and as you can see, this just took a few moments, okay? Again, I can go ahead and click on this and I could delete this, right? I could delete this image. I can replace it. All I have to do is just click on this and then I could put whatever image that I want in here. Again, this will probably be the logo of the company you're helping. This phone number here, right? So we're gonna wanna put their phone number, their hours. Literally, all you have to do is just copy and paste their information, and now they have an entire website that you've essentially created for them, right? So as you can see, all the things here are very simple. You can leave most of the stuff and, you know, just have it in there if they want, right? So obviously go through these examples and say, hey, do you do some of these things? And, you know, you can put their team names if you want, or you can take those out. You could put the pricing if you wanted, but all this is here. And if you don't want to add one of these sections, you could essentially just delete the entire thing, right? So let's just say you didn't want to put a testimonial. You can go to this section and delete it, right? So that's pretty much it here, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and save this. So if you save and then publish, the cool thing is it'll then ask you for a domain. So obviously you can go and buy a domain for them within this platform as well, within Funnel Freedom. But you can, you know, for example, buy, you know, donsplumbingokc.com, right? Or something like that. And again, this is all done within this software, okay? So we make it super, super easy for you. But anyways, you can go ahead and publish that. I'm gonna go back. So once you have the website all built out, you can go to that local customer and say, hey, I already built an entire website for you. What do you think? Obviously, give me some revisions. I could go and fix it up, but boom, you have an entire website. You can put this in your Google account and people will start going to your website, getting information, booking calls, scheduling, all that good stuff. Now, the next thing I want to show you is something that you can add very simply, and it's going to completely blow their minds, okay? Especially if they don't have a website, and it's going to make their lives so much easier. And I promise you, if you can do this for them, they're going to hire you and they're going to be paying you a monthly retainer. Now, real quick, before I show you that, I do want to mention that we do have a free step-by-step course showing you exactly how to implement this in extreme detail, okay? Make sure you stick till the end of this video because I'm going to show you exactly how you can get access to this free course. All right, so now that we've created the website template, which again, this only took a few minutes to create, now I wanna show you how you can add this chat widget, okay? So inside of this software, you can go to where it says chat widget right here, okay? All right, so with this chat widget, they can go and do a live chat with, you know, an agent or someone in that company, or you can even make it where it's AI, where they're not even talking to a real person, but the AI knows exactly the questions that they're gonna ask and it's gonna answer them very quickly, okay? So this is really, really cool. So you can go to where it says live chat. I'm gonna select this right here. So the way the chat widget's gonna work is it'll look like this with a real person and people can go and ask questions. And the cool thing is that you can actually go and change the style of the widget. You could change the color, right? So now you can see it's green, or I can make it this this orangish color, right? So you can match it to their logo and their company website. But the cool thing now is I can go and essentially train this widget. You could train the messaging to be exactly how you want it, okay? Extremely powerful, okay? So but what I'm gonna show you how to do is how you can quickly install this on the website, okay? So right here where it says get code, I'm gonna click on this and I'm just gonna copy this link, okay? And literally anyone can do this. You don't have to be a coder. I'm gonna go back over here to the website that we created. So I'm gonna go to, again, the website here. I'm gonna click on this. And inside of here, remember we have the plumber template. So I'm gonna go inside of here and I'm simply gonna add this where it says the body, okay? So if I go to where it says settings, right here where I say body tracking code, I can go and add that and then I'm gonna save that. And now let me show you what this looks like, okay? So remember, we've created this website for these plumbers and now we've added this chat widget so I can actually go inside of here and you'll notice there's the website. Obviously you'll have the logo and all the stuff, but look at the bottom right. I'm gonna move my face over here. Now it has a chat widget so people can go and ask questions about this company, right? So they can go and ask, hey, when's your hours open? How can I book a call? What are your prices, right? Essentially, you're gonna train the AI to know exactly what to say. Now, this is really powerful because these plumbers are busy doing the work, right? People are calling them, but they're not answering because they're busy doing the work. But you can let them know, hey, I'm gonna create a website and an AI employee for you. That way you can get more customers and you're not gonna lose people when you don't answer the phone. Now, real quickly, I wanna show you how you can train the bot so that way it's conversational and that way it looks like a real human, okay? So what we're gonna do is inside of Funnel Freedom, we're gonna scroll down to the bottom left where it says settings, and I'm gonna scroll down to where it says conversational AI. Okay, so if I click on this, I could go ahead and create this bot. Okay, so if I go and hit create bot, right here it's general Q&A or start from scratch. I'm just gonna do a general Q&A bot depending on how advanced you want it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put in this example, plumber example. All right, so inside of here, you're gonna go ahead and hit autopilot. Now, what I'm gonna show you is how you can actually train this bot to know exactly what to say. Okay, and then also we wanna go ahead and under the supported channels, we wanna go to live chat. Okay, but as you can see, you can do this for Instagram, Facebook, and all the other things if you wanted to. Okay, but for now, I'm just gonna put the live chat widget. Okay, but let me show you real quick how you can go ahead and train this bot. Okay, so if I go to where it says bot training here in the middle, I can go ahead and start training this bot. So as you can see where it says web crawler, I can go ahead and enter a website. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and just use this website as an example. Obviously, you're gonna wanna put the actual information here, but I'm gonna go ahead and add that URL and I'm gonna hit get data. Okay, now what it's gonna do is it's gonna go to the website and it's gonna know every single detail of that business. That way, when someone asks a question, it knows exactly what to say, right? So you can see here, it already knows how this business works. Now, of course, people are gonna be asking different types of questions that maybe the bot doesn't know, and that's what this customized bot response Q&A is. Okay, so if people are asking, certain questions that maybe they get all the time, we can go ahead and add the answer here. Okay, so that's part of training the bot, and maybe you'll have a meeting with your client, whether it's the plumbing client or some other business, and you're gonna ask them all these questions. What are the top questions that you get? Cool, let me go ahead and add them in. Let me train the bot. Okay, now the cool thing is once you go ahead and save that and you train it, you can go ahead and test the bot. Okay, so where it says test bot, I can go over here and start to ask it questions, right? So I'm gonna move my face over here and just say, what type of work do you do? And then the AI bot is gonna go and then now answer. There you go. As you can see, hey, we handle plumbing and construction. Our team can handle, X, Y, Z, whatever. Okay, so you can go and really test the bot, make sure it's working. And I promise you, you're gonna take this to the client and they're gonna be super impressed and they're gonna be willing to pay you every single month. Now, one thing that's really cool is you can actually go and train the bot while you're asking it questions. So let's just say you actually didn't like this answer. You can go and hit this thumbs down and then you can go ahead and tell it exactly what you want it to say. Okay, so that's the cool thing is like as you start to test it out, you can say, no, I don't like this answer, or yes, this is perfect. This is exactly what I want to see. Okay, and then you can go through, make sure you're training the bot because again, if you're working for a client, they're going to want, this bot to work really well for, all the people asking questions. Okay, but this is very powerful because it's going to automate their business and they're going to love you for it, especially if it's going to save them time. They don't have to go in calls. They can literally just have people on their website or have this AI on their website answering these questions. Now, the most powerful thing about this is you can now stack on clients. So you have one client and then now you have them set up. And of course, you're not doing that much of the work because the website and the AI is doing mostly everything. And then once you have that first client set up, then you can bring on number 2, then number 3. And imagine having 5 or even 10 clients paying you $500 per month, which is going to be about $5,000 a month for you. And of course, if you can get those clients to buy the software as even an affiliate now, you're also going to get paid for that as well. So it's a beautiful business model, something that it's going to provide them a ton of value. They're going to be extremely excited and happy. And for you, it's really not that hard because you're going to set it up using our templates, using our AI. Essentially, you're just managing them every single month. Now, I do want to show you how you can get access to our new program called Freedom University, and more importantly, how you can get access 100% free. Now, just so you know, there are other programs like this that show you how to reach out to local businesses, and they show you how to set up the process in extreme detail. Some of these programs are upwards of $5,000, $10,000, even $12,000. I want to give it to you absolutely free, and I want to show you exactly how you can access this. So I just want to show you what Freedom University even looks like. If you go to Freedom University, you'll see that the program is an insane step-by-step program showing you exactly how every single part of this software works, okay? But in extreme detail, right? Obviously, I showed you how to do it fairly quickly on this video, but if you want to go deep, if you want to know every single part of how the software works, that's what Freedom University is going to teach you. Now, the best part about this, if you scroll all the way to the bottom here, you'll see where it says bonus, build your agency with Funnel Freedom. Okay, so this is where we show you how to actually get clients. Okay, so if you want to know, hey, this is how you go and get clients, this is how you put a contract in, this is how you charge them, this is how like step by step you can actually build a business with the business model that I just showed you. Okay, and as you can see, it's in extreme detail. Okay, this is how you actually get clients to pay you every single month. Okay, so this is an insane program that we just released, and people are loving it because it's showing people how to make money without essentially buying anything, without having to spend thousands of dollars on starting a business. Okay, so let me show you how to get access to Freedom University. Okay, so if you are an existing Funnel Freedom member already, all you have to do is log into your Funnel Freedom account, and right here where it says Freedom University, you'll click on this and you'll get instant access to this program absolutely free. Now, if you are not a member, I will show you how you can become a member of Funnel Freedom, which is the software you're going to need to build this out anyways. You can go to funnelfreedom.io and you can then become a member. And once you become a member, it's going to take you to, again, this back office where you can go and click on Freedom University. When you click on Freedom University, again, it's going to take you to the course, which you'll see right here. Okay. And on top of that, the best part about it is you're going to get coaching calls every single week for free. So if you have any questions about how to use a certain part of the software or how to get clients, there's going to be a coaching call every single week. And again, this is all included for being a member. So if you want access to this, just say Freedom University down below. And I hope this video was of value, and we'll see you on the next video, and God bless.